that disc at the front, that's the front.
That's it, not both of those.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Is that hard?
Oh, it's stuck on the roof. This bit here,
Friggin' right.
so high up, they sit on that flat.
Yeah.
Big two, that car.
8 litrów V8. To jest moc.
Only half of
Silnik jest też mocno modyfikowany. Więc...
Yeah, guys! Low down, weight,
Would you then just get
if
stuck?
it was the other, you'd literally probably have to rev them out of it to try and get it unstuck back and forth. That's a cable over to them. It's happened once before where it's got stuck with both wheels in between the two cars.
się wkręci teraz. Oh yeah.
You couldn't do that with the flat one, could you? It just took it. Oh yes. Right, once we come to a standstill, you can all come over, okay?
Okay. Put your rubbish in here. Would you like your photo taken in there?
Yeah.
I'd put that.
It's quite high up.
Yeah, but there's a step ladder.
Is that like the wheels almost twice the size?
Yeah.
It's just flat like